Hello everyone, this is Christine with the Crafters Outpost, and today I'm going to be making something really simple and fun, and it's going to be out of toilet paper rolls. And this is a really good idea that you can use for making a gift card holder or pockets in your journal, and you can decorate them however you like. So one of the things that I did here is I did an embossing folder and just embossed it, put it through my machine, and gave it a raised edge, so when I inked it, it brings out the design. But there is a lot of things that you can do with these, and it's really an inexpensive way to just make someone a gift, or and you can decorate it with lots of ideas and things that you have just around the house, and it's just a fun little crafty idea. And so I'm just going to go ahead and let the video roll on, and you can just watch and see how I created it. And I hope this gives you some ideas and inspires you to make something really cool for your friends and family. All right, thank you for watching.